बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि मैंने काफ़ी टेक्निक्स ट्राई किया है लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, कितने वर्कशॉप्स अटेंड किए हैं, लेकिन द लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन इज नॉट वर्किंग फॉर मी। आर यू वन ऑफ दोज पीपल? सो हुज फॉल्ट इज इट? लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन की गलती है, लॉ काम नहीं कर रहा है, या आप में कुछ कमी है जो आप लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन ठीक से अप्लाई नहीं कर रहे हो? तो आज हम ये सवाल आंसर करेंगे कि क्या सही है और क्या गलत है और कैसा लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन आपके लिए काम कर सकता है। आत्मा नमस्ते दोस्तों, आई एम एवरिल क्वाड्रस, द लाइफ आर्किटेक्ट, एंड टुडे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन काम क्यों नहीं करता है। काफी लोग मुझसे बोलते हैं मेरे वर्कशॉप्स में, मेरे 1-to-1 सेशंस में, मेरे कम्युनिटी कॉन्शियस क्रिएटर्स एकेडमी में कि मैम लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन इज नॉट वर्किंग फॉर मी। मैंने कितने सारे वर्कशॉप्स अटेंड किए हैं, मैंने कितने एफर्मेशंस किए हैं, मैं 369 मेथड करती हूँ, 555 मेथड करती हूँ, 21 डेज का ये वो सब कुछ करती हूँ, सब कॉन्शियसली मैं ट्राई करती हूँ, मैं सुबह को एफर्मेशंस बोलती हूँ, कितने सारे मैंने किया है, सालों से मैं करती जा रही हूँ। मैंने सीक्रेट देखा है, मैंने द ग्रेटेस्ट सीक्रेट देखा है, जो भी ये किताब के नाम है मैंने सब देखा है, सब पढ़ा है, बट इट्स नॉट वर्किंग फॉर मी। कभी आपने पूछा है अपने आप से कि लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन आपके लिए काम क्यों नहीं कर रहा है? So let's understand this very clearly. The law of attraction is one of the 12 universal laws. So if a law is a law, that means it has to work. अगर कानून है तो कानून का क्या मतलब है कि it has to work, और ये man made कानून नहीं है। So let's talk about a few laws of the universe. For example, the law of gravity. If you go up to a mountain and if you look down and you jump, you'll fall down. You won't go up. The same way, law of gestation states that it takes X amount of months or days for a plant to blossom, for a human being to be born, for an elephant calf to be born, whatever it is. That's the law of gestation. Okay? What about the law of vibration? Law of vibration says that everything in the universe is vibrating because we are all energy. So everything is vibrating. So these are all universal laws. I've only given you a few examples. So the law of attraction states that like attracts like, which means the law will give you what you are, not what you want. For example, अगर मुझे एक relationship चाहिए, मैं काफी lonely feel करती हूँ, लेकिन मुझे relationship चाहिए, और मैंने अपना विजन बोर्ड के ऊपर में डाला है कि I am so happy and thankful now that I am in a blissful, beautiful, coexistent, whatever adjectives I use, wonderful, falana, dhimkana relationship. And I've put a picture of myself with the person that I want to be with. Basically, you'll know what kind of person. So you pick up from a magazine और आपने डाल दिया. और आप रोज visualize कर रहे हैं, आप देख रहे हो, आप feelings महसूस कर रहे हो, you're doing all that. But after that, you continue to feel lonely. When you look at other couples, you feel jealous. When you talk to yourself, you say that, will I ever be able to? तो क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? So for example, for 30 seconds to 1 minute, 2 minutes, जितना भी टाइम आप विजुलाइज कर रहे हो, उतना समय के लिए तो आप अलाइंड है, आपका वाइब्रेशन अलाइंड है आपकी चाहत के साथ। लेकिन जो बाकी 23 आवर्स है, उसमें आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप अपने आप को सैबोटाज कर रहे हो, क्योंकि आपका सबकॉन्शियस जो प्रोग्रामिंग है वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है और आप अपने आप से प्यार नहीं करते हो। मैं काफी रीजंस आपको दूंगी, प्लीज डोंट थिंक दैट इट इज ओनली दिस और दिस और दिस, प्लीज सी विच रीजन सूट यू। सो नंबर 1, इट कुड बी जब आप छोटे थे तो आपको शायद प्यार नहीं मिला किसी से और आप अपने आप में अंदर खो गए, आप बहुत लोनली महसूस करने लगे। सो दिस कैन बी वन रीजन. The other reason can be that you've been in relationships before which broke off. So those relationships gave you this feeling that nothing is going to work out for me because your partner left you. एक और reason हो सकता है कि आप गलत person के साथ relationship start करते हो और फिर वो relationship ठीक से बनता नहीं है और आपका breakup हो जाता है। तो काफी सारे reasons हो सकते हैं, लेकिन most of these reasons when relationships go wrong are coming from subconscious programming, from childhood, from adolescence, through conditioning, through other people treating you in a certain way, whether good or bad. Okay? The next thing is आपको एक्शन तो लेना चाहिए. Law of manifestation, law of attraction. The last word is action. Attraction, action. तो if you just keep on visualizing, आप रोज visualize कर रहे हो, आप देख रहे हो, आप सपने मतलब सपने देख रहे हो. This is just a fantasy. It's called mental masturbation. Mental masturbation का मतलब क्या है कि आप सिर्फ ख्वाब देखते रहते हो, आप डे ड्रीमिंग कर रहे हो, आप सपने देख रहे हो. But for the fantasy to become a reality, you have to take action. For example, if a woman only dreams about having a child, and a man only dreams about having a child, will they have a child? No matter how much they visualize, they have to take action. They have to come together in the act of copulation. They have to produce a child when the sperm meets the ovum, and then the child is birthed. Okay? But then it takes also gestation, the law of gestation. The child takes 9 months to be born. So the second dynamic is that you have to take action. If you don't take action on your goals, on your dreams, on your vision, by taking baby steps every day, by stacking up positive habits every day, then you're not going to be able to see your dream coming into a reality. And the third thing is the law of gestation, which means everything happens in divine timing. That's why in my workshops, when I make people do third eye activation for their manifestation, I always tell them, now release it, let it go into the 5D reality where the universe will decide what is the right time for you to manifest your dream. So we spoke about subconscious reprogramming, conditioning, the way people treated you, what are your experiences in previous relationships. Then we spoke about taking action. And the third thing is the law of gestation. You have to trust the universe that I have given it my all. I am taking action. I have visualized. It's now in the 5D reality. It'll move into the 4D and then into the 3D. And you're fueling that intention with taking action every single day. Even a small step tells the universe that you're serious about what you want. And the last thing is the law of gestation. When a woman is pregnant, I'm taking the same example. When a woman is pregnant, वो रोज तो चेक नहीं करती है, बच्चा है, बच्चा नहीं है, कब होगा, कब मुझे कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस आएंगे, कब मुझे डॉक्टर के पास जाना. She is going with the flow. She goes for her regular checkups, which means she's taking action to see that her baby, her fetus is healthy. She knows exactly when there's something wrong and she immediately seeks attention. She also waits in patience. She visualizes the happiness she'll feel. She's enjoying her pregnancy. And then during the 7th, 8th month, she then starts taking other precautions. She then starts doing other things. And then her water breaks और उसे बच्चा हो जाता है. The baby is born in the hospital or wherever. So these 3 things are very important for you to manifest anything that you want. The law of attraction always works. लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन एक लॉ है, एक कानून है, और कानून हमेशा काम करता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि कानून सिर्फ कोई सम फ्यू लोग के लिए काम करता है, बाकी लोग के लिए काम नहीं करते हैं. सो द लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन वर्क्स. इट वर्क्स बिकॉज ऑफ 3 थिंग्स. ओके, you put your intention out into the universe, you take action, inspired action every day with small baby steps, and you wait in patience with using the law of gestation, knowing fully that it's going to come into fruition. कानून कानून है. ऐसा नहीं है कि कहीं लोग के लिए काम करता है और कहीं लोग के लिए काम नहीं करते हैं. The universe is very fair. It's a very fair universe. There are no favorites. But for the law of attraction to work, it has to have cooperation and intention and action from you. ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बजती है, 2 हाथ चाहिए, right? You can't clap with 1 hand. So that's why it's the universe and you. When you come together synchronistically, your manifestation happens. So drop in the comments and tell me what has worked for you and what has not worked for you. I would love to know and I will reply to your comment. Also, share this video with people, pay it forward. It'll help the algorithm also to get my free content out to more people. And lastly, don't forget to click the link and join my 2-day workshop where I will teach you all of this and much more. And I've linked my book also below. I am a best-selling author on Amazon. I've written a book on fear. And in a future video, I'm going to be talking about fear, because fear is one of the main reasons why we don't take action. The second step, why we don't take action, fear is one of the main reasons why we don't take action. And if you read this book, it's a very simple book. It costs less than a pizza on Amazon. And if you buy it, you'll understand the insight as to how fear in so many different ways stops people from taking action to manifest their dreams. Like I always say, stay true to being you because you matter. And from my heart to yours, Atma Namaste. I'm your sister in alignment and healing.